Okay, I did a little work on the back bumper on the Scion. I was going to work on this, but I need the tire off, so that's going to have to be later. So I ended up I put more pieces on in a couple spots, and I made these two pieces right here because they had been ripped and I need to secure it. So I put them on. It's not secured yet. The bolts are not in there. There's one here and one over there that need to go in. And then I need to figure out what else I'm going to do to hold this thing better, because I don't trust the clips. Yeah, there's clips right in here, and there's clips on the other side, and then there's plastic things that hook on down here. But you can see it's not quite there. It's close, and I might be able to get it a little bit closer and get this in. But even then, I need it more secure. So I'm gonna have to figure out, like, put maybe a metal piece right here, and then a strap up here once I get that as far as I can get it. And then same thing on the other side. I think I'm gonna have to pull this off, put the bolt in, and then put it back on. I think is what I'm gonna do. Yeah, it doesn't look the greatest right now, but we have some ideas. Instead of white, Nicole came up with the idea of black, which I think is great because it'll match the other black stuff. So I think we're on the path to getting this in shape, but I need to stop and get some smaller screws, and then once we have them, then it's a matter of painting. And I need to figure out where I can put the screws in safely. Like, I can feel behind here, this is not going to be a problem. Up in here, I'm not sure. I don't think it will be, but I want to go a little bit shorter so I don't have them sticking out much. Okay, progress. And the bumper itself is solid now. Now it's a matter of making sure it's solid on the car, because I don't want that thing moving. Okay, let's get some screws and we'll work on this later.